Another little project coming to the workshop. I haven't had many British steam engines, apart from a Mamod, and I got this. Signal Equipment Limited, 1550 major. So yeah, it was on eBay, same as everything. Seized up. Everything painted gold. I don't know if they were painted gold originally, but this has all been painted gold. You can see it's painted. This lot was the filler cap was really tight. Even the burner's gold. It looks original. I'll do a YouTube search and see what the others are like, but it looks like it's got a little oiler there. You've got a safety valve which actually works. I would imagine that is your level, which seems quite high. That seems to be quite high, because on the Mamods, I would say this is the filler tap, where filler point, where you fill up. And on a Mamod, you have an overflow about halfway up, and this is almost at the top, so you're not going to have much space for steam. So I don't think I'll fill it that. I think I'll just fill it half full. That seems to be a long way to me. But yeah, I'm going to have to order. They normally free up quite easily. It's only I'll tell you what I use to free up. So when I try and free something up initially, I use the thinnest liquid I can find. And the last couple of ones it's worked, and all I've done is sprayed a bit of carb cleaner down there, just as the initial freeing agent, and it's worked. So I've got two there. Let's give it a go. I don't use that as the lubricant, but just as the initial freeing agent, because carb cleaner is it's a bit vicious. If you get it on paint, you don't want to get it too much on your paint. But if there's any tar in there, that'll get them moving. Yeah. But it won't take long. I've got a WD-40 releasing agent. That's pretty solid. Yeah. I don't like forcing them. Don't like forcing them in case it breaks something. Anyway, yeah, it's a little twin cylinder. I'll have to give that a go later on. Tiny little thing. They look bigger on the photos. Tiny little boiler. Not much to them really, but this seems to be adjusted in more than the one on the left. They're not even. One's screwed in more than the other. I would imagine that's steam oil. It looks like an adjust. Imagine that's steam oil. Put a little bit of steam oil in there. Yeah, so yeah, not had really many. It was come in a box. No one was interested in it. There's 3 or 4 for sale on there. Twice what I paid for this, and this was the only one on auction. And yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. Add to my collection. I'm going to try and get what was the other one I'm trying to get hold of? There's a couple of I'm going to have a little section of British steam engines, and I did plan on getting one of these, and I just saw these coming up, and yeah, but I'm not sure that there seems to be a lot of gold on there. But when you look at this, it looks like it's original. Perhaps it's original. If it is original, it's not been used much, because you would have thought that had been tarnished. Wants a good clean. Wants a good clean, but I'll soak that. I'll soak them. I'll take them out. I'll take these off, and I'll soak them and get them pistons freed. But yeah, even come in a box. They do some smaller ones. What else? I think I forget where these. Oh, Bowman is the other one I want to get. Bowman. Yeah, some Bowman. They do a nice twin cylinder Bowman. I quite like that. I'm going to get one of them soon. Yeah, so this is just a first look over. Pretty basic little engine, twin cylinder. I like the way though it's the cams are yeah, opposite each other. I don't like them when they're running at the same time. I'll leave it there, guys, and I'll see if I can get these freed up, and if I can get them freed up, I'll see if I can run it. But I don't think it needs any restoration really. Just wants a clean up. The base is pretty good. The black's pretty good. It's an original, quite an original little steam engine. I think these are 1950s. Quite pleased with the little burner. Pleased with the box. I'll leave it there, and when I get this these freed up, I'll come back and we'll give it a run. Cheers, guys.